Do not lose hope, nor be sad, Quran. The bravest heart is the one that stays close to Allah God, even when it's in pain. Anonymous. When you forget that you need Allah God, He puts you in a situation that causes you to call upon Him, and that's for your own good. Omar Sulaiman. Never underestimate the power of dua supplication. Anonymous. Forgive others as quickly as you expect Allah God to forgive you. Anonymous. To Allah God is your return, all of you, and He will inform you of what you used to do. Quran. Whoever fears Allah God will find a way out for him from every difficulty, and He will provide for him from sources that he could never have imagined. Quran. The reality of manners is that it results from beautiful character. Thus, manners is the manifestations of the integrity and strength in one's inward personality into action. Ibn Rajab. A busy life makes prayer harder, but prayer makes a busy life easier. Anonymous. Allah God does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Quran. And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed, he will have a depressed life. Quran. Taking pains to remove the pains of others is the true essence of generosity. Abu Bakr. And it is He who created the night and day, and the sun and moon. Quran. The best among you are those who have the best manners and best character. Sahih Bukhari. For indeed with hardship will be ease. Quran. No one can bring you true happiness except Allah God. Anonymous. And whoever puts all his trust in Allah God, then He will suffice him. Quran. The more you let go, the higher you rise. Anonymous. The richest of the rich is the one who is not a prisoner to greed. Ali ibn Abi Talib. Every soul will taste death, then unto us will you be returned. Quran. No one will reap except what they sow. Quran. Indeed, that is my path, perfectly straight, so follow it and do not follow other ways, for they will lead you away from His way. This is what He has commanded you, so perhaps you will be conscious of Allah God. Quran. Indeed, Allah God will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. Quran. Speak only when your words are more beautiful than the silence. Anonymous. Be like a diamond, precious and rare, not like a stone, found everywhere. Anonymous. Give love in secret by praying for one another. Anonymous. Everyone who is taken by death asks for more time, while everyone who still has time makes excuses for procrastination. Ali ibn Abi Talib. And those who have believed and done righteous deeds, we will surely assign to them paradise, elevated chambers beneath which rivers flow, wherein they abide eternally. Excellent is the reward of the righteous workers. Quran. Before going to sleep every night, forgive everyone and sleep with a clean heart. Anonymous. And whoever holds firmly to Allah God has indeed been guided to a straight path. Quran. Sell this life for the next, and you win both of them. Sell the next life for this, and you lose both of them. Hasan al-Basri. The heart that beats for Allah God is always a stranger among the hearts that beat for the dunya world. Anonymous.